Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and here we are. We're getting to the very end of our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent unboxing. I'm very excited. Okay, I have something to show you. You're going to be so surprised. All right, let's start with our tea. Reach in here, get a bag of tea. Ooh, it's green. Mint Melody. Medley. Mint Melody. Green tea with pure mint leaves. Okay, green tea. Green tea. Mint tea. It's pretty much green tea. Sounds like I need some tea. Oh, it is mint. Woo. Very mint. All right, let's throw that in the water, and that is going to seep for a few minutes while we chit-chat. And I don't expect it's going to get very dark. I do not. It smells wonderful. Boy, that is mint tea. Oh, my water's warm enough. I sat here too long getting ready and my water cooled off. Okay. Our 12 Days of Christmas stitching kit. We were doing 12 drummers drumming. And that's it right there. Can you see it? 12 drummers drumming. I finished it. Can you believe that? When we started this, I had no expectations whatsoever of ever finishing this thing. I know, right? Got them all. There's our 11 pipers piping. Yeah. Yep. Maids of milking. So you want to see the back? Everybody always wants to see the back of your work. Mine looks terrible. And I mean terrible. There's the back of my work. I've got a lot of knots and a lot of strays. I'm going to just take this part and sew it together. Not sew it together, but do a running stitch and go like this. It probably is not going to happen today. I can guarantee it's not going to happen today because we got a lot going on today. But look at that. Whoever would have thought I could have finished something like that in this amount of time? Not me. Not me. Okay. So that's done. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't think my water's warm enough. That's gonna be, I think that's the problem. But it can still sit there and soak. Okay. Caterpillar CrossStitch, day number 23. Item 23. Let's read it. Mice nibble on fallen berries for a winter snack. That sounds about right. Mice nibble on fallen berries for a winter snack. Nice. Okay. Now I'm guessing thread, because we haven't had any thread in a few days. No, we must be done getting thread. It's a plastic bag. I have seen these, but I have never used one. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, what we have here, it's called a tally counter. It looks like kind of like a little watch. You wear it on your finger. I don't know which finger I would wear it on. And that's one of the reasons I never got this, because I'm like, I don't know which finger I would wear this thing on. I got so much going on. So you put this thing on your finger, and there we go. So you wear it like this while you're working on a project, and then you keep track of stuff. You just click the little button. You're not gonna be able to see that screen because I can barely see that screen. So when you finished your row or something, you push that little button. And then there's a thing to reset it back to 0. This is used, well, for people that use these, they use them in crochet or knitting. I have no concept of what we would use it for in cross stitch. So I'm gonna have to do a little research. So maybe as you're finishing an area or You know, you're counting over, you got to do 10 something. I don't know. I have no idea. I do know there are people that keep track of the number of stitches they've done in a section or on a project. I have seen people say, I'm going to do 100 stitches today, or I'm going to do 500 stitches today. That's a foreign concept to me. I can't even like think of how you would keep track of how many stitches you have done. So I don't know. That's a foreign concept to me. I'll have to do some research on this, but this is cool because I have seen them before and I always wondered about them. Very interesting. Okay, we're going to put our little My Snack thing back in the case. And today we've just got a pretty tree. And we'll put that right in there, right next. Okay, this whole side is done. So we've just got a beautiful winter scene with a train coming through and the deer and the presents. And we've got one more up there in the corner. One more up there in the corner. And then when we're done with that, I'll do a nice big close update on that. And I think I'll probably keep that up because it's a cool little piece right there. Okay, let's try this tea. Again, yeah, the water is way not warm enough because I can hold the cup easily. Give it another dunkaroo. Dunkity dunk. It's very minty. You know, you would think a mint melody would be. I think I'm just not a big fan of mint tea. I would drink it like I will drink this. There have been some I would not, but I wouldn't say, oh, give me that one. So, yeah. Because what was the other one? It was a ginger mint. That was bad. That was bad. All righty. I think that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow for our very last box. And then we'll start our next section, which is the 12 Days of Stitchmas by Bothy Threads. I'm very excited for that one as well. Okay, that's it. We'll see you guys later. Please like, please subscribe, and please pass this on to somebody who you think might enjoy it. Thanks so very much. Bye-bye.